Thailand is home to some of the world's finest tropical fruits, where nature provides the perfect foundation. But great fruits begins long before harvest. It begins with the right grower. At Siamfresh, we work closely with a network of selected certified growers, partners who meet our strict quality standards. We don't just source, we support and develop our farmers, ensuring consistency from the very beginning. Because premium quality does not happen by chance, it is built through control, expertise, and long-term commitment. Siamfresh Enterprise is a premium Thai fruit exporter, trusted by global importers who demand consistency and reliability. Our process begins with precise selection, where every fruit is carefully evaluated against strict grading standards. Only those that meet our requirements move forward. From this point on, quality is continuously controlled at every step, not as a single checkpoint, but as an integrated system through measurable standards, inspection protocols, and full traceability. We ensure consistency in every shipment. Our commitment to quality is backed by internationally recognized standards and certifications. With over 20 years of experience, we deliver consistency that our partners can trust. And as process continues, this same level of control extends into how each fruit is handled and prepared. Packaging is not a final step. It is a continuation of our quality control system. Each fruit is carefully protected to preserve freshness and minimize risk during transit. From packaging, every shipment moves forward under controlled conditions, with reliable logistics and cold chain management, ensuring that quality is preserved every step of the way. So that when our products arrive, they meet the expectations of importers, retailers, and consumers alike. Delivering freshness, quality, and confidence in every fruit, every time. Siamfresh Enterprise, your trusted partner in premium fruit export, from source to destination, quality you can rely on.